Hello everyone, it's great to walk with you again. Today, while we walk, I'll tell you a story called Christmas Every Day by William Dean Howells. This story is not only entertaining, but also carries a deep lesson about the value of ordinary things, a simple yet profound message. The story begins in a cozy setting. A father is telling a bedtime story to his two children. His young daughter, who absolutely loves Christmas, comes up with a bold idea. She wishes that every single day of the year could be Christmas. In the world of this story, her wish is actually granted by the Christmas fairy. The girl receives a letter from the fairy stating that because she was so earnest, from December 25th onwards, every morning she wakes up will be Christmas Day. On the first few days, everything is perfect. The stockings hanging by the fireplace are overflowing with gifts, candy canes, and toys. The whole family gathers for a feast of roast turkey, pudding, and warm holiday wishes. By the second and third day, the joy is still there. Children don't have to go to school and adults don't have to work. The streets are constantly filled with the sound of bells and a festive atmosphere. The little girl feels like the happiest person in the world because she has made the dream of millions of children come true. The chaos begins. However, the excitement starts to fade quickly as they enter the second week. Economic issues. Since everyone is on holiday, grocery stores close, bakers stop working, and no one is producing new goods. Financial strain. Adults start to worry because they've spent all their money on presents but have no income. The prices of turkeys and toys skyrocketed due to scarcity. Boredom. Gifts that were once special now become mundane. Dolls and toy trains pile up in corners, ignored by everyone because there will be another one tomorrow morning. The breaking point. After a month of continuous Christmas, the beautiful vision turns into a nightmare. Health. Children start getting sick from eating too many sweets. The thrill of opening presents is replaced by exhaustion. Environment. The city is buried under piles of gift wrap and party waste. Attitude. Instead of wishing each other Merry Christmas with a smile, people start screaming at one another in anger. The sacred holiday becomes a heavy, terrifying obligation. By April, turkey becomes so rare that people have to eat whatever they can find, and the gifts are nothing more than cheap trinkets. Everyone begins to beg the fairy for a normal day, even an ugly Monday or a hard work day, anything as long as it isn't Christmas. The lesson and the ending. As a full year passes, the little girl is completely exhausted and filled with regret. She realizes that Christmas is precious because it only comes once a year. Scarcity creates value. The waiting creates the joy. Finally, when December 26th of the following year arrives, the day that would normally be another Christmas, the wish ends. The fairy takes back her magic. That morning, there are no gifts in the stockings, no turkey on the table, and everyone has to return to their daily routines. Strangely enough, everyone breathes a huge sigh of relief and feels happier than ever to just go back to work and school. And with that, our walk ends here. Thank you for walking with me to the end of the journey, and see you again soon in another adventure with so many more amazing books and stories. Goodbye for now.